In this video, we're going to talk about Java compilation process. So Java is a compiled language. What this means is that the code that you write has to be processed before it can run. Now, how does this work? Well, the first thing we do, of course, is we write our Java code. We can use a text editor or an IDE, such as Eclipse. And when we hit run, what happens? The compiler takes that code and start parsing it, start looking for errors, and if everything is good, there's no errors in our code, then it spits out a bytecode. Bytecode is just a different form of code that machines can actually read and understand and run those instructions. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this visual representation of the entire process. Very simple. Again, you have that source code that you write, and then the compiler takes that source code and checks for errors. If there's no errors, then it outputs a bytecode. And then the bytecode, it's what runs on devices. Now, the bytecode doesn't run directly on devices. What it happens, it runs on Java Virtual Machine. A Java Virtual Machine is essentially a software that can be found in a lot of devices, such as phones, your computers, and etc., where the Java Virtual Machine takes the bytecode and understands what bytecode is and runs the application. That's how the compilation process works. It's the Java Virtual Machine that takes the bytecode and understands what it's supposed to do and then run those instructions as an application. Well, now you know how the Java compilation process works.